Welcome back to the Game Show. You wait! Me and my cat are gonna play guessing game.
Wow.
And do you know what the name of my cat? It's Cathy.
Cathy lang din, crazy. Cathy lang din ang name.
Yeah, Cathy.
Oh, and then
Let's start. Whee!
let's start.
Yay!
So, who's the wife of Adam?
Eve.
Eve. Very good. Who told Noah to build a big ark? 1, 2.
Dad.
Correct. Si God. Please give me 5 disciples ni Jesus Christ.
Philip.
Philip.
Thomas.
What else?
Matthew.
What else?
James.
What else?
John.
John. Very good, Clea. Oh, can you please give me at least 3 Bible verse or memory verse? At least 3.
Ephesians 6 verse 1 to 3. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother. This is your first commandment with a promise, that it may go well with you and that you may live long in the land.
Okay, second.
Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength.
Oh, pangatlo.
Galatians
Chapter 6,
chapter 6 verse 18.
10, verse 10.
Verse 10. Let us do good to all people.
Wow, that's good. How about yung when I am afraid? Psalm 56,
Psalm 56
verse 4 to 5.
When I am afraid, I'll trust in you. In God whose will I praise. In God I trust.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Okay. Sino, Tagalog tayo, sino ang tumulong kay Pablo para siya ay makalaya sa kulungan? Sinong
Angel
tumulong?
ni God.
Angel ni God. Ano ang Tagalog name ng Pablo?
Anong Tagalog name?
Oh, sige nga.
English.
I'm testing you nga eh. Ano ang Tagalog name ng pangalan na Pablo?
Pablo.
Very good. I'm testing you. Ano ang English name ng pangalan na Pablo? English name na yung question ko. Ano ang English name ng pangalan na Pablo? Letter P pa din siya. Ends with letter L.
Paul.
Correct. Very good. Oh, nagtayo mo na lang yung yung there were 12 disciples. Sabayin mo, Dada.
Sige.
Let's sing. 2, 3, go!
There were
12 disciples.
Jesus called to help him.
Simon, Peter,
Andrew,
James,
his brother John,
Philip, Thomas, Matthew, James the son of Alphaeus, Simon, Judas, and Bartholomew. He has called us
Louder.
to. He has called us to. We are His disciples. I am one in you.
Okay. Uy, crazy ka talaga. So, ano ang tinulungan ni Jesus Christ para ito'y muling mabuhay? Sino ang taong yun? Muling mabuhay. Or rather, Jesus said, wake up!
Lazarus.
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 Next question. Diba nagpunta si Jesus Christ and si mama niya, si Mary, nagpunta sila sa isang kasal, sa wedding. And then, anong miracle ang ginawa ni Jesus Christ doon? Ang water, ginawa niya
Wine.
wine. That's good. Very, very good. Ginawa niyang wine. And then, ganito naman. One day, yung mga disciples niya, nasa isang boat sila. Diba nasa isang boat? And then, may malakas na bagyo, malakas na hangin, ganun. Anong sinabi ni Jesus Christ doon? Kasi na-rattle na sila, nag-worry silang lahat. Kasi, lakas ng bagyo, storm. Tapos,
Be still.
ano sabi ni Jesus Christ?
Be still.
Be still. Ano pa?
Peace. Be still.
Wow, that's good. A group of people na tinulungan ni God. Sino yon? Yung group of people na yon. Starts with letter I.
Elijah?
Person lang yun, tao lang yun. Group siya, so madami yun. And starts with letter I, ends with letter S.
Elisha.
Ezra,
Israel.
Israelites.
Israel.
Israel is a place. Israelites.
Israelite.
Finish na.
When I go.
Louder.
When I go to sleep, at night and close my eyes, I know Jesus, you are always by my side, smiling over me with love that never ends. I know Jesus, you will always be my friend. Bye.